Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Roblox assets not loading. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to clear Roblox cache. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Now check my video description for this run command. Just copy and paste it in run command and click on OK. In here you just need to right click on the versions folder and select delete it. And now you just need to close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Click on open it. In Microsoft Store you just need to search for hotspot shield VPN and you just need to install it. After the installation done, you just need to open the VPN and select the connect option. After connecting to the VPN, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to right click on the Roblox player and select properties. Select compatibility tab and you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to open up Roblox and press in keyboard escape key and you just need to go to settings. In here you just need to scroll down. You just need to change this graphics mode to manual and set this graphics quality to low, and now relaunch the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, you can use the Roblox Microsoft Store version. To do this, go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. In search you just need to search Roblox. Select the Roblox. After installing it, you can open this Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.